Welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. I'm going to do a small video of how I make my progress keepers, or you can also call them stitch markers. Made these before, different kinds, with different ways too. Okay. Longer ones. I try not to do very long because of the weight, and it will pull your project down. So I rather have small ones and lighters. I know these balls are a little bit, tiny bit heavy, but that's why I didn't want to put more. So I'll try to explain it very well. Okay, I have these. I'm not sure what they're called again. I can check. Oh, I don't have my paper with me. But you'll need something like this. Remember what's it called? It has a bottom like a nail. And it looks like a nail, but it's all straight. Aluminum, I'm sure, because it bends, or thin wire because it bends really easy. I have the gold kind also. We're gonna finish this stitch marker right here. I put little tiny bead, so here, I'll take it out. This has a big hole. Can you see that? It has a big hole. So for something like this, you can use a stopper, or you can use a smaller bead, just like that, so it won't go through this or through this big hole. So I put that in there. Then I put another one on top, because when I cut this and bend it, the bend needs to be small enough to not go through these holes either. So all I do is kind of eyeball it and cut how much I need. About that much. Wiggle it. Okay. I start bending from the tip a little bit. Like a hook. Keep bending it. I know it's not going to be perfect, but it will work, especially because I put that bead in there. It won't be that straight, but it works. There you go. Can you see that? Now we're going to attach a little O-ring. I don't know what else to call it, but it looks like an O-ring, or a split ring kind of thing. Let's see if you can see. Okay, I'm going to split that open a little bit. Just a little bit. We don't want it all wobbly and break on us. Hook it in there. At the same time, it would be awesome to put the lobster claw on. All you got to do is bend it back to where it was, and you're done. You want to double check by doing that. Tight, and we're done. There you go. Stitch marker or progress keeper. This one will be a little heavier, but it's cute, and maybe with a thicker yarn, not be that heavy. And I bought these pink beads and these long ones. I bought these at Dollar Tree for $1. There was all these for $1. These other ones came from another set, bigger ones. You also can use more beads, like jewelry beads. Buttons. These are buttons. Believe it or not, it's a button. It has a hole right there. You also can use a bow, any kind, and I got this value pack on sale for $3.97 at Michael's. The usual price was $8. So you can use that. You can use a lot of other stitch markers, which I forgot to bring. Actually, right here. There are some that are already made that I got, like this. Those are already made. They have their lobster claws. Here's the beads that I was talking about. Came in this little thing from Walmart in the jewelry section. You also can use charms, butterfly charms, or any other charms. I think these are $4.99 around there for 10 pieces at Walmart also. You can also use, here's some more charms. Can't wait to make these. I had got these at Hobby Lobby for sale for $2.25 a while back. And here are the silver ones that I was talking about. They are called head and eye pins. I actually just like the head pins. The other ones I don't know how to use yet, but I'm hoping I do. You also can use like these. You can pull apart and make your own design. Put some more beads or something else. So that's about it. And hopefully you like the idea and make your own. Thank you for watching.